What you got? What you got there? Is that some turkey? Turkey. Uh-oh. He lost a piece. Jake will get it. Jake will get it. Yep. No, not that many pieces. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, whoa. Peyton. What you got? What are you eating? Eat your lunch. Eat your lunch. It's good. It's good. Yay! We have to eat all the turkey first. And then we will move on to the carrots. Yep. Next is the carrots. Very funny. Yep, there we go. Don't feed that to the dog. Eat it. Put it in your mouth. Mmm. Put it in your mouth. No, I don't want it. I have some. Thank you, though. It's so good. It's so funny. Don't squish it. Hey, there's more. Don't worry about that piece. We'll get it later. Mmm. There's Jake, afraid he's gonna miss a bite. You're not getting any. He's looking for crumbs. Jake's looking for crumbs. Yeah. Say no for you, Jake. No food for you. Hey! Eat your food. Don't worry about that. Stop. Nummy nummy lunch. Yep, elephants eat lunch too. There's nothing there. Oh, you got a piece of seed. You're so silly. A little bit of zucchini, some green beans. It's all good stuff. It's all good stuff. You're not getting that carrot out of there. There's a teeth. We saw your teeth. Peyton, quit smashing your food up. some more turkey? Here. We love turkey. Shove it in. Green beans are good. What are you doing? Are you all done? Now you're just messing. I think we're done. Hey, look at me. Peyton. 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 Say bye-bye. Peyton.